Hey guys, today I have the Microsoft Surface Pro 4. Wow, it's a bright light. Today I'm going to be seeing if I can install Windows 11 on it. Windows 11 is not officially supported for this device, but I have a custom flash drive of Windows 11, so we're going to go ahead and turn it on. Plug in the USB drive on the side here. Open up the File Explorer. Scroll down, go here, setup, yes, let me use Windows 11 on this machine. Applicable notices and license terms, except, of course. Well, I can't keep everything, so we might as well just install it and keep all of our important stuff. Do you think if I use the bathroom and come right back, it'll still be checking for updates? Let's find out. Alright, so it says, what needs your attention? Continuing with the installation will change your display language. To change it back, you'll need to reinstall the language pack. Continuing with the installation will remove some optional features. You may need to add them back in settings after the installation completes. Yeah, it's probably fine. Okay. Oh boy, it's ready to install. Yes, install. Oh my gosh, I'm cursing my Surface with Windows 11. Oh my gosh, we're here! No, do not use my location, Microsoft. No, do not find my device. I will gladly risk losing it. No. Wow! It deleted my wallpaper! No! Do not add Microsoft Edge to my taskbar. Give me my wallpaper back. There we go. Alright, give me dark mode now. There we go. Give me my f***ing wallpaper back again. There we go. Alright. Now, we gotta connect back to the internet. Well, it deleted all my shit. I no longer have Discord or Firefox, so I gotta reinstall that. Why is it in 24-hour time format? Not United Kingdom. United States. Oh my f***ing god, do I actually have to reinstall a goddamn... Change it back, you'll need to reinstall the language pack. No, f off. No, don't allow. F you. No, oh my god, dude, shut up. Windows and your f***ing pop-ups, man. Of course the United States is the only one that's grayed out. English. United States. There we go. Turn this off. Task view off. Widgets off. Pen menu off. To the left. Now to download Firefox and Discord again. That's gonna be so much fun. Well, I guess I already had the installer for both Firefox and Discord, so that's great. Okay, well, I need to sign into everything again because Windows 11 signed me out of everything, I'm pretty sure. I was right. Alright, now that we're signed in to YouTube, we gotta sign into Discord now. I'm logging in with a QR code. I can't be bothered to do anything else right now. And there, I've installed Windows 11 on the Surface Pro 4. That's gonna be it for this video. If you have enjoyed and you want to see more videos like this, make sure to leave a like, maybe even subscribe if you're new. and I will see you guys in the next video.